To download our electrical engineering app, you can visit this website link electrical-engineering.app. This website or app is especially designed for electrical and electronics engineering students. In this video, we will see an example on equivalent resistance. Question: find equivalent resistance between terminals A and B. Now here for this circuit, we have to determine its equivalent resistance. Solution: first of all, we will take this circuit. Now as we can see, this 1 ohm and 1 ohm are connected in series. So this will be 1 ohm plus 1 ohm, it will be simply 2 ohm. Now here we can see this 2 ohm is in parallel with this 1 ohm. So it will be simply 2 ohm parallel with 1 ohm. Now this is equal to 2 into 1 divided by 2 plus 1. So it is 2 into 1 divided by 2 plus 1. It is simply 2 by 3. So it is 2 by 3 ohm. Now what we can do, we can redraw this circuit and we can replace these 3 resistors by a single 2 by 3 ohm resistance. So let's clear this and let's clear this too. So now this will be a single resistance of 2 by 3 ohm. Now here we can see this 1 ohm is in series with 2 by 3 ohm. So it will be 1 plus 2 by 3 or 2 by 3 plus 1. It is 5 by 3. So it will be 5 by 3 ohm. Now this 5 by 3 is in parallel with this 1 ohm. So here we can write 5 by 3 ohm parallel with 1 ohm. So it will be simply 5 by 3 multiplied with 1 divided by 5 by 3 plus 1. So let's solve this. 5 divided by 3. We are keeping this fraction value because to get the precise answer. So 5 by 3 into 1 divided by 5 by 3 plus 1. So it is 5 by 8. 5 divided by 8 ohm. So now we can replace this 3 resistance with 5 by 8 ohm resistance. So what we can do, let's copy this first. Now here, let's erase this. Now it will be a single resistance of 5 by 8 ohm. 5 by 8 ohm. Now here we can see this 1 ohm is in series with 5 by 8 ohm. So therefore, RAB is equal to 1 plus 5 by 8. And 1 plus 5 by 8 is, or 5 by 8 plus 1 is 1.625. 1.625 ohm is the value of RAB. So here we can write RAB is equal to 1.625 ohm. So this is how we can find the equivalent resistance of the circuit. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel, and thanks for watching.